Who is the smartest person in a kingdom? The richest man? The most powerful minister? Or someone no one notices? In today's short British English story, we discover who the king believed was truly the smartest person in his kingdom. Let's begin. Once there was a wise king who loved testing the intelligence of his people. One day, he gathered all his ministers in the royal court and asked a simple question. "Tell me," he said, "who's the smartest person in this kingdom?" Immediately, the ministers began praising themselves. One minister said, "I manage the kingdom's finances. I must be the smartest." Another said proudly, "I advise the king. Surely I am the smartest." The king listened quietly. Then he turned to a young servant standing near the door. "You," said the king, "what do you think?" The servant bowed respectfully and replied, "Your Majesty, the smartest person in the kingdom is the one who knows how much he still has to learn." The court fell silent. The ministers looked at one another. The king smiled. "Exactly," he said. "True wisdom begins when we realize we do not know everything." And from that day forward, the king remembered the servant's words whenever pride entered the royal court. Reflection. Real intelligence is not about showing how much we know, because the moment we believe we know everything, we stop growing. Let's look at 3 useful words from this story. Praising, speaking highly of someone. Respectfully, showing politeness and respect. If you want to improve your British English through meaningful stories like this, subscribe to Learn British English with Deacon Rigo. Join me next Sunday for another short story that'll help you build your vocabulary, listening skills, and confidence. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing.